Hi everyone, welcome to Be Well with Serena. Today we are going to make 3 mushroom miso noodle soup. What you'll need to get started are 3 kinds of mushrooms. You can pick the ones that you like and a vegetable. I opted for Napa cabbage, you can choose something else. And then for the soup stock, I have miso, 3 tablespoons of miso. You can use white or red miso. And then some vegetable soup stock, 2 teaspoons of it, some corn for the garnish, and then noodles of your choice. I chose these dry noodles. You can use fresh noodles as well. You'll need 2 pots to get started, 1 for the soup stock and 1 for the noodles. Let's get started. Now that you have the vegetables chopped up and water boiling, we're going to start by boiling the noodles. Next, we're going to make the soup, starting with adding the vegetable soup stock. And then the stem from the Napa. You want to give that about 30 seconds before adding the other vegetables. The last step, we're going to put the soup over these noodles and finish with some corn. Corn for garnish. And then if you like, you can add in a little bit of seaweed. Totally optional. And that's it.